Meron! Diyan nag-shoot si Catriona Gray.
Si Jet
Yung
Li.
Star Wars, yung, ano ba yun, yung pinaka-popular? Si Jet Li. Sino ba yun? Yung La Casa de la Papel, yung Money Heist. Diyan din po yun sa loob.
Pati si Jet Li.
So dito pa naman, we divide the museum into three main parts, which are the base, the body building, and the roof. So the base here, may dalawang decoration sa base. Ito, plain lang, walang decoration. Ang pangalawa is decorated siya ng singhaleg or lotus flower. Tapos the gaps between each base here, dinidecoration siya ng Thai culture. Para ipakita, kasi in the past, yung Thai people kasi, they are more on farming. So, yan po yung mga ginagawa nila. Nag-gather muna sila ng rice, praying for the rain, and they also do cat parade here. Kasi paniniwala nila, pag nagpaparade sila ng, ng pusa, ay uulan po. Parang kunting mixture lang din siya sa culture natin. Okay? Tapos, dito tayo sa balcony. Ipakita ko po sa inyo yung balcony. Siya po yung best spot ng taking picture.
Bisaya.
Okay, dito po tayo.
Yan. Magpapakansin.
Gandahan mo ang kuha dyan, ha?
Ay, oo.
Hi! Welcome to my vlog.
Mga 1 million view yan.
Sigurado yan.
Tag na lang ha.
Po.
May imagine din naman paano
Natakbo pa siya. Misis, natakbo pa siya.
Okay po, so ito po yung balcony namin. So yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na carve, ito po yung ginagamitan nila doon. Diyan nila yun nilalak. So ito po yung balcony namin. So ginagamit nila yan for granting public audience and special occasion. Decorated with a picture of Burana Takajwar. Inside are the branches of flowers and leaves, which refers to wealth, peace, beauty, and creative. And everyone, ito po yung magandang spot para mag-picture. Mamaya pag natapos na tayo sa tour, akyat po kayo doon, tapos yung kasama nyo magpipicture dito. Ang ganda po, para po kayong mga royalty, parang king and queen. Ang problema lang, isa sa inyo ang magsakripisyo para bumaba dito. Pero don't worry po, pagkatapos ng tour, pag may oras pa kayo, pwede pa po namin kayong tulungang mag-picture around. Okay? Tapos next naman is combination to Angkor Wat or Cambodia. Dito po tayo.
Mainit ang mga person.
Okay lang.
Sugoy na.
Ditong banda po, may elevator din sila. Gawa din po yan ng kahoy. May gagamit po ba dito ng elevator?
Okay.
Wala naman. Okay. So on the roof there, ayan po yung combination ng Cambodia or Angkor Wat. They called Brahma, the four golden state of mind, which are loving kindness, compassion, sympathetic joy, and equanimity. Tapos yung sa baba, ayan po yung si Indra, riding elephant. Opo. Ano po siya, sa India culture po siya. Okay, so pasok po tayo sa loob. So sa loob, mag-explore tayo ng Seven Sisters side. So yung may mga tayo po dito, ibalik na po dito. Okay, ingat po kayo. Gamit as pako. So ito yung ginagawa nila. Tapos sa column area, ito yung ginagawa nila paano sila pinoconnect together. So ito yung mortise and tenon, ganito po. Tapos ito naman yung mag-hold ng weight para hindi na siya mag-move. Tapos ito naman yung ginagamit nila para sa balcony or column area. So mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung mga example kung saan to siyang banda. Tapos ito naman, ito yung paano nila nilalak yung wall na walang pako. Sa likod ay decoration. So pag gusto nilang magdagdag, dagdag lang ng ganyan, dagdag, or pwede rin ganyan na style. Tapos ito pareho lang dito, tail. Para din to sa wall. Actually, double purpose to. Ganito yung pag-lock nila sa wall, ito naman sa ceiling, tapos iyan sa column area, pwede to. So, ganito nila nilalang. Yung sa column area, ganito yung paggamit nila. Or, kagaya nito, pwede siya sa wall, pwede din siya sa column. So, ganito yung mangyayari niya. Apa? So, lahat ng mga technique dito or idea is galing pa sa mga nakaraan sinaunang panahon, pinapass to generation lang para ipapakita nila kung paano tayo nabubuhay in the past without technology. Okay po? Move tayo sa next. So, minimix siya, hoping sa founder na kahit anong culture natin, anong lahi, magkakaisa pa rin tayong lahat. Tapos may makikita tayong dalawang kulay. Yung mga first pa dyan, iyan yung bagong gawa or bagong renovated. Tapos, yung mga gray naman, iyan yung 43 years old. Tapos yung nakikita nyo na green, ayan po yung effect ng chemical na ginagamit nila para i-control yung termites and insects of the wood. Okay? So next po tayo, dito tayo. Mamaya pagkatapos ng tour, Maning High Store La Casa de la Papel. Kaya sikat to dito sa loob. Tapos sikat yun na gray dyan naman. Okay. So, this is the portrait of life here, the great example of people who left good things into this world. Even though they left into this world hundreds of years, but their goodness and philosophies of life still impact many of us nowadays. First great example there, that is Avalokiteshvara Savara. And over there, that is Diva and Manjusri. They are the great example of people who overcome from negative emotions such as anger, greed, and hatred. And next one there, that is Lao Tzu. He is the ancient Chinese philosopher and the founder of Buddhism, which is also known as Yin Yang. He represents nature balance, that if we can balance the nature and our living, we will receive happiness. And the most favorite one there is Confucius. He is the ancient Chinese philosopher and the politician. He represents respect elders, loving others, self-discipline, and humility. And one of his golden rule which we can interpret it, what we do not wish for ourselves, do not do unto others. Okay? So these are some of the example only. Pero dito sa Thailand, meron din po silang isa na ipapakita ko po sa inyo doon. Balik lang po kayo dito mamaya para mag-picture. Punta muna tayo doon. Ilang minuto na lang po at matatapos na po tayo.
表达了我们内心的都是被情绪。
Ang lawak mo eh, no?
Si Ninoy.
Si Jose Rizal, si Ninoy, sino pa?
Ano yung president niya?
Opo, previous president. Actually, makikita niyo po siya sa banknotes, 100, 500, or 1,000 bill. Naririnig niyo po ba si Ramanine? Oo, siya po yung Ramanine na anong tawag nito? Yung ang tagal nilang naka-move on, yung namatay siya, ang haba, ilang taon na walang nightlife, walang music sa Thailand dahil sa kanya. Nagluluksa, mga ilang taon silang nagluluksa noon. Opo.
Si Ramanine pala yan.
Yes po, mukhang si Ninoy lang at saka si Jose Rizal. Okay, so this is the Ramanine or the previous king of Thailand, His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great, or Rama IX, the father of the king right now. The king right now is Rama X. Yes. Yes po. So from 1, 2, Rama 3, 4, 5. Tapos next naman, pag wala na si 10, 11 naman. Yes, yes po. Pero, sa lahat po, pag nakikita nyo, bakit Rama 9 lang yung dito, nasaan si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far po kasi, siya po kasi yung pinaka mabuting hari na minahal talaga ng Thailand. Kasi 70 years, sinakripisyo niya po yung buong buhay niya para baguhin at pagandahin ang Thailand. Opo. Kaya mahal na mahal siya ng mga katutubo. Or hindi siya katutubo, local po. Mahal na mahal siya. So as you can see po, kahit yung founder ng museum na ito, wala kayong makikitang statue dito. May makikita kayo picture frame lang doon sa baba. Pero si Ramanine pinagawa talaga nila. Kasi yung founder ng museum na ito, he was so grateful of all the things that Ramanine has done to their country. Opo. Kaya mas, ay naano po talaga nila yan, nire-respeto. So everyone, ito lang po yung mga example ng mga tao, tsaka including yung four na gumagawa ng mabuti sa mundo bago sila namamatay. Pero meron pang iba, hindi lang nila nailagay lahat dito. So next is, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is the fifth truth of life, our life purpose. So every one of us, we have different life purpose. And no one can tell you what is yours or what is mine. However, we just hope that through the story of self-development around the outer columns here will guide us to find our life purpose somehow. So let me show you some example only so that you still have time to take photos around, okay? So let's start on that column there. So that column there explains of the concept, avoiding environment full of drugs and violence. Representing the mother with his son, walking away from these people who are using drugs. So if we are surrounded with this kind of society and environment, what will happen to us? Nothing, and become one of them, right? So it's better to avoid this kind of society. And the next one there, initiating good things by not postponing it. So it means that if we want to do something good today, don't postpone. Don't do it tomorrow. Do it today. Don't wait for tomorrow because maybe tomorrow is too late or we never know po. Okay? Last two example here. Let's get it right. Actually po, halos po lahat ng mga column dito ay mga kanya-kanyang meaning po siya. Opo. Okay, dito tayo. Last two example here.
Ma'am Lay, shoutout ka mo.
Hi!
Ano pong pangalan ng vlog natin, sir? Isa-subscribe ko po kayo. Okay. So in this column here, respect people who prefer to help others than those people who choose to take advantage. Represent to a group of people paying respect to this elder who are seems kind and generous according to their faces. Or the saying says here, respect those who deserve it, not those who demand it. And next side there, surround yourself with people who empower you to become a better person. Represent to a group of people with a smiley face, which means they are in the nice society where they can finally find their happiness. So everyone, these are some of the example on the life purpose in which we want to be in the future. So later on, if you want, pag gusto nyo pang magbasa ng marami pa po, nakaikot lang po yan, tapos may mga QR code po yan. Opo. Opo. So next, I'm gonna show you some of the example of the Six Truth of Life. So ito po yung Six Truth of Life here. May QR code din po sila dito. So this is the Sixth Truth of Life, the two opposite side of the society, the good and the bad side. So all the inner column there are the good side, and all the outer column here are the bad side. And the reason of establishing that part there, because we want to reflect how our society could be if we do good things to the other people, if we follow the Fifth Truth of Life, and how our society if we ignore them. First example there, that is the society full of selfishness. Represent to the rich people who have a lot of food to eat, but they do not share to these poor people who are seems to be hungry. And this man here who ignore to help these two girls falling into the river. So actually they're asking for help, but he just don't care. He's just sitting prettily and never care other people. Well, the opposite side in here, a society full of generosity. So there we can see a group of people helping each other, pulling the cart from the pit, and that man saving the dog falling into the river. Alright? So again, the good and the bad side. Last example there.
Oo. Talagang inukit talaga, hindi lang drawing na lang eh, parang ano, ito drawing.
This column here, this is the society full of arrogance or violence. So maybe what do you think they're doing here? Are they doing massage?
No,
No. What they're doing there?
extra massage.
Extra massage. Anong extra massage po yun?
Ay, bukas mo na yung detalye.
So ano pong ginagawa nila dito? Panis. Nag-aaway.
Aaway tsaka chismisa, no?
Oo, nagchichismisan. Hindi talaga sila magkakaisa. Oo. Yung customer ko naman kahapon, tinatanong ko, sabi nila, naglalaro daw ng football. Hindi po ha. Nag-aaway sila dito, hindi sila magkakaisa. So, while this is the society full of humility and politeness. So here, dito makikita natin a lot of people paying respect to the elder using the traditional way in Thailand. Tinatawag po nila na wise. So kahit saan kayo magpunta ng Thailand, makikita nyo kung gaano ka-polite yung mga katutay lokal. So kahit saan nakikita nyo siya out sa 7-Eleven, nakikita nyo silang mag-uwag.
여기 있는 걸 할 때, 말 사람들이 모여 간 집에 있거리를
So, gusto niyo pa ba ng some example?
Yeah.
Okay. Ito po tayo.
没发现给那种人，一地方。到现实生活中，
Okay. So, dito naman po, sorry po, namatay yung ano mo. Dito naman, ito yung society full of discrimination.
来反映
A society full of discrimination.
我们已经参观到了。
Alright, so this is the society full of discrimination. Those people who are narrow-minded and never accept any other opinion that's different from them, which can cause conflict. So after we can see different people, religion, country, but here they don't have unity. They cannot treat each other nicely. They cannot live together peacefully and they are discriminating other people. Well, the opposite side here, a society full of
다른 생각으로 인하여 다투는 사회의 구형물. 1. 내피도 다른 학자가 있는 사람. 구형물을 보면 인종, 종교가 다르지만 진정한 우정 및 사랑을 나누는데 장애를 주지
full of acceptance and understanding. So here we can see the same po, different people, religion, country, but here we can see the difference. We can see a smile on their face. So no matter what religion or country they are coming from, no matter what races or color they are, rich or poor, we can still treat each other nicely, living together peacefully and we are not discriminating other people. So everyone, these are the two opposite sides of the society, the good and the bad side. So hopefully, we will find which society we want to live with. But of course, which society we want to live with? Good side or the bad side?
Good side.
In the middle. 50-50.
Cannot promise to be good, cannot promise
Yes.
to be bad,
Uh-huh.
but yeah, trying best.
That's true. So,
We do good and we do bad.
at least we can minimize, we know what we are doing.
Yes.
Opo. So next, ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung last part. Basahin niyo.
Last part.
Their mother and the children, which we know that family is our first teacher, first friend, first mayor, and first society. And when we say the word family, it could be our biological parents or the people that we have out there, like our friends, parents, so that parents come together reminds us of the sacrifice of our And lastly, our parents who ensure that our future will be good. So everyone overall on that whole layer, the main concept is to remind us of how kind, patient, and tolerant our parents have made us to raise us. To remind us of every sacrifices of our parents. Without our parents, we are not here in this beautiful world and we may not become who we are right now. So we should be grateful, respect, and love them. Our parents may not be perfect. Neither do us. But they do their best to give us a better life. And sometimes we're too busy being old that we often forget that they are getting older as well. So spend more time with your family. Alright? Tapos, pag bababa naman kayo doon, makikita niyo yung picture ng founder. So naka-frame lang yun. Maliit lang, ayan. Yung asawa niya, si Conlet Coriapan and Conpapay